and welcome back. Today's quick tutorial features a glitter waterfall with leopard print, so be sure to stay tuned. So I'm starting with a sanded and prepped tumbler. This tumbler was painted with Rustoleum 2X Ultra Matte in black. I've also mixed up 5 milliliters of Counterculture DIY Fast Set Epoxy, so we can apply our glitters today using the epoxy method. I probably only use about 2 milliliters on the tumbler. We just want to put a really thin coat just so the glitter sticks. The glitters we're using today are from PDB Creative Studio. They are Chanel and Midas. Both are absolutely gorgeous gold glitters, and if you don't have them in your collection, I suggest adding them to it. We're going to start with Chanel, that is our chunkier glitter, and we're going to start adding that around the bottom. Make sure you get the very bottom and the bottom rim. You can put it on as thick or thin as you choose, that's entirely up to you. For me, I like to coat it really well, and then I'm going to start tilting the tumbler. Now keep in mind, the steeper the tilt, the farther down the tumbler your glitter is going to fall, hence the waterfall. If you want it to stay more towards the middle, don't tilt the tumbler up as far. If you want it going closer towards the top, then definitely tilt the tumbler up farther. So we're just going to add the Chanel until we're happy with the placement. And then we're going to move into Midas. And I do apologize, didn't realize I was out of frame when I was adding Midas to fill in any of our little gaps. So we're just going to apply it the same way we did Chanel, adding around the bottom, then tilting the tumbler until we're happy with the placement of our glitters. Keep in mind, less is more. You can always add more glitter, but you can't take it away. Now I did put these tumblers on the turner since there is no glitter at the very top until the fast set cured for a couple of hours, just to keep anything from coming off the top or dripping in places that it didn't need to. And then I epoxied until smooth. I've sanded the tumbler here, and I'm adding the decals. I started by adding my decal at the top, and then I'm going to use my Oracal 651. I just found a leopard print pattern that I liked, that I thought would fit, and cut them out in Oracal 651, and you see I'm just going to be setting them in place until I like the way they look. That is entirely up to you. You can use any kind of leopard pattern that you like. You can use as many leopard spots or as little leopard spots as you want. Make it your own. So we're just going to go through. We're going to set all the leopard spots, and that's going to be it. You'll have to epoxy till smooth, usually 2 coats, and then you're done. So very quick tutorial today, guys. I thank you for sticking with me. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down in the comments. I also have everything linked in the description box, and I have you some discount codes in there as well.